So I'm going to show you how you can determine the health of your laptop battery. Maybe you just bought a new battery and they want to check if really you were sold new battery or the battery that has been refurbished. So how will you know? Something you can use, you can make use of Windows PC in order to determine it. So how will you do it? Basically, we're going to use command prompt to generate the report of the battery. Press Windows button, then CMD, so command prompt. So I'm going to run the command prompt as admin. Look at it here, as admin, administrator. Yes. So this, it's up now. So what I'm going to do is type power CFG, then spacebar, / battery report. Battery reports. Yes, / battery reports. Enter. Okay, battery life reports. You look at it. Battery life report saved to file. But this is a part, so it has generated the report. Yeah, you can see clearly here. I've opened a folder, a file explorer. Then to this PC, local DC. Then where do you save it to? Windows. So here's it. C Windows, then System32. So C Windows, then System32 should be down. Okay, System32. So this is it, right? No, this is C Windows. Then System32 is here. Open. Then after System32 open up, so System32 battery reports. So I will look for a battery report, and it is .html document. Conversely, I can click, hold, and drag this part here. Drag, then Ctrl C to copy. Then I can right click on the Windows logo. Yeah, I right click on it to choose run, or Windows R as to pop out the wrong windows. Then I can just Ctrl V. If I hit enter as it is, if I hit enter, it's going to automatically open the HTML document. Okay, I hit on enter. You're going to see those HTML documents will pop out. All right, so it's I'm going to open with Microsoft Edge. So this is the battery report. So you look at it. So let's come back to here. This you just simply copying the directory and then paste it to the run dialog box. Then this is System32 battery report. Okay, let me just click and just B battery report will be somewhere. Yeah, this is it. This is HTML document battery report. So if I double click on it, it's the same thing that is going to bring out. All right. So this is it. So yes, this is where I'm going. On battery, there is design capacity. If you look at here, on battery there is design capacity and there is full charge capacity. All right. So look at this design capacity. That means the capacity of the battery on this PC, it is 41,051 days. This is it milliwatt hour? Yeah, milliwatt hour. Yeah, that's milliwatt hour. Just like with power bank, maybe phone battery is going to mAh. Yes, milliamps per hour. So the same thing as this milliwatt hour. Okay, so 41,051 milliwatt hour. So, and look at this full charge capacity. So that means from this capacity, this battery has degraded. It has come down to what? This is 36,832. So if I want to determine the percentage wear of this battery, how would I do it? So let me come here. So the design capacity is 41,051. 41,051, right? This is design capacity. All right. So 41,051, and here the other one here, it is 36,000. This is the one that it has degraded to 36,832. All right, so this is it. So now let me subtract these two. I think I'm going to use a small font to punch it. I want to between this. All right, so this is 41,051 minus 36,832, right? 36,832. So this is 42,19, right? So basically what I'm going to do is to multiply this 42,19 times 100, yeah, 100, that is 100%, divided by this 41,051. So basically this one is going to be 42,19. So it's going to be 42,1900, you know, times 100, of course, divided by this 41,051. So what will it give? So this is 42,1900 divided by 41,051. So basically this is 10.277. Yeah, let's say approximately 10.28 percentage. So the percentage weight of this battery, it is 10.28. So at the look of things, yeah, the battery is still good, right? So after calculating, maybe you have yours, after calculating, it's giving you like 50% or 70%, not that the battery is bad. Yeah, 70 with 50%, that means half of the battery life is gone. Yeah. So this is how you calculate it. But now with a new battery, if there is, as it is, if this one is 41,051, full charge capacity should be the same thing as this 41,051. But if it is not new. All right. So you subtract it, and you can decide not to subtract it if you don't want. It's going to be the same thing. So this one is full charge. This one is design capacity. So it's going to be this 36,000, basically the same thing, 832. Yeah, times 100 divided by the same one here. This is 41,051. It's basically it's going to give the same, right? So let's see. This is 36. This is 36,832.00 divided by 41,051. All right. So 45,051. So this one is like this with this calculation. This one. So it's going to be 89.72254. All right. So this percentage shows the percentage of the present percentage of the present health of the present health of the battery. So that means the battery is 89.72%. That is the current health. So now I know if it is good, it's going to be 100%. So you subtract 100 from this. So that is 100 minus 89. What will it give you? The balance should be this one here. Yeah, the balance should be this one here. Why this one is percentage wear. So if you subtract percentage wear from the actual 100%, it will give you the health of the battery. You feel me? Are you following? So that is how you can do the same thing for the phone. If you know, you can just, okay, I'm going to make a video of phone, right? Why this one is for laptop? Well, it's basically the same, but you know, you're not going to use battery reports on phone. There's another method how you can, but the same principle applies. Yeah, just want to know the, you know, the full charge capacity and the design capacity, and you can use that to determine the percentage wear or the current health of the battery. So if I subtract this, so this is 89 this and that. So let me say it's minus 100. That is going to be minus this in 10.227. The same thing here, 10.227. Right? Yeah, 10.227. So that is how to do the calculation of the percentage wear. So that is it. Yeah. But now there's a word of caution here. Yeah, there's a word of caution. Now it is good when you have a PC, you don't always plug it in to always charge without using it. Yeah. There's a person that does that, and what happened? All of a sudden, the battery just spoiled. When you get to 50%, the PC will just turn off. Why? Because the cells are bad. Because the cells has always been idle state. It does not energize itself. It has always been idle state because the PC is always plugging. So if your battery is fully charged, unplug, utilize the battery. Okay, when it is low, you can plug in. Yeah, utilize it that way. And if you want the battery to last long, you can charge it to maybe like 80% unplug, like that. Yeah. So basically, that is it. That is it. So in that case, if one always charges PC and the battery is bad, you might say that the design capacity is, let's say, for example, if such a thing happen on this PC, it can say that design capacity is this amount, future capacity is this amount. Meanwhile, in real life, the battery is bad. Why? Because the cell has not been used. It has always been there, fully charged, would have been used for maybe like 6 months, 1 year. Yeah, damage the cell. All right, so that is it. So this is how to calculate, the percentage, to calculate the health of the battery. Yeah, to know the percentage wear or the current health of your laptop battery. All right, see you next time. And okay, let me mention this. And additionally, if you look at this, I just use this design capacity and future capacity in order to determine the health of the battery. So if you want to see how the battery really behaves, so you can go straight down and there's a chart. So you are going to, here is a recent usage. And if you scroll down, battery usage, there's a chart. It shows how the battery is falling, how it is depreciating. Like if it's fully charged 100%, yeah, is it, draining steadily, or there's a sudden drop in percentage. So with this chart, you'll be able to know. And this one is start time telling you the history of the battery usage. Yeah, basically that is it. Yeah, that is it. Battery capacity history. So it's telling you how the battery degrades over time. Yeah. So if you look at this, it's 39, 2070, 39. So it keeps dropping, 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 dropping. Yeah. Then to 36107. All right. Why? Of course, this one's design capacity is going to remain the same. Ultra. Right. So that is it. That is it.